Welcome to Llanhari Youth Club. Yeah, I like Llanhari Youth Club because it's very inclusive. There's kids. There's toast. There's toast. There's kids of all ages. I like coming to Llanhari Youth Club because I can go out with my friends, get off the house and speak to my favourite YEPS workers, Nick, Andrew and Caroline. Yeah, Welsh, English, we just get to meet loads of people, make new friends in there.
I think having a youth centre in your local area is quite good, as you get like time away from stressful things and things that matter. It's a place you can just come and chill.
Because you can just speak to the workers who work here about mental health and that if you're struggling at home, and you can also just sit down and have a chat with them.
I just feel like this place is amazing. 11 and older, perfect.
And then this is all the artwork up here that people do for Lexi, and Lexi loves it.
Like, these are the flowers that represent Dementia Week. And then over there, we have Military Child Month, which represents the people in the military.
Yeah, there's loads of stuff you can do in Llanhari Youth Club.
Yes, for life!